Hi, my name is Edna Sue Thompson. I am a first language Cherokee speaker. I am 82 years old and living with dementia. I grew up in the Woodall community near Tahlequah, Oklahoma. I grew up on my family land they called Gertie Hill. The Cherokee language was very common in our community growing up. All the elders in our community would speak Cherokee. Our Cherokee language is not spoke often anymore. I still reside in Woodall on Gertie Hill to this day. I love my family.
Go,
Go,
goo,
goo,
go,
guh.
go, go, go. Sorry, you